Welcome back. You now can make changes to each of your chapters to make sure that your formatting is going to be consistent. Some of the changes that we make will be editing changes. For example, you may decide you want to have a space between paragraphs. You can now do that. And in this case, you want to look to your book body elements. You want to make sure that your book body elements are going to be consistent with the rest of your theme. So in this case, in the book body elements, you have your title, subtitle, chapter first paragraph, block quote, a poem, if applicable, as well as a separator. So for example, what you'll notice is that in this first paragraph, you have the chapter first paragraph formatting in place. We come to chapter 2, you'll notice that there is no chapter first paragraph. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this first paragraph and we're going to click the chapter first paragraph formatting. So then you'll notice then that we have the large letter to start with in chapter 1. We also have it in chapter 2. We can then go to chapter 3. We can make our separation between paragraphs. And then we can highlight this first paragraph. We can make this our chapter first paragraph, and we have the same formatting. And so we'll continue that process through chapter 9, and we'll do our chapter first paragraph yet again. You may notice that there is some italics in terms of the formatting. All we'll need to do is to highlight those paragraphs that we don't want to have in italics. Then we'll go to our formatting side. We'll then click this letter, which will turn the italics off. And again, you'll see this in this chapter 8. We'll go to this area and we'll turn our italics off. And you'll see the text the way we want it. So to recap, we'll use our elements to make sure that we have consistency between our title page, our contents, and all of our chapters. We'll go into our formatting in order to make individual changes in the text as well as to keep them consistent. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.